Today I will show you how to quickly create this effect. Create Fusion composition, add to timeline and switch to Fusion. Add text node, connect it to media out and enter your text. You can animate text using the write on parameter, but today I will show you a different approach. Right click inside the text field and choose follower. Go to the modifiers tab and set the delay value to 2. Next, open shading. At frame 0, set opacity to 0. Move to frame 5 and increase opacity to 1. Open spline editor and apply step in to curve. Now let's create a cursor. Add a background node and set its color to white. Connect rectangle node to it and shape the cursor. Use merge node to combine cursor with text. In the merge node, open settings tab and use the blend parameter to create blinking cursor with 8 frames interval. Go to spline. Apply step in, then enable set loop. Add transform node. Right click the center parameter and choose modify with XY path. Switch to modifiers tab and remove keyframes from X and Y parameters. Right click to X parameter, choose expression and enter that. Query: text1 is not the parameters linked to, and 3840 is the project's horizontal resolution. Adjust the cursor position as needed. Done.